A will be 7, R is, that is 3. Now A R to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1701. Therefore, A is 7, R is 3 is equal to 7 into 243 is 1701. Art of calculation. Cancel this. 3 to the power n minus 1 is 3 into 81. 3 to the power n minus 1 is 3 into 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power n minus 1 is 3 to the power 5. And finally we have 1 is equal to 5, n is equal to 6. This is the first answer. Next, I have to find sum of n terms. So formula for sum of n terms है A r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. A is 7, 3 to the power n minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So 7 by 2, 3 to the power 6 minus 1. 7 by 2, 3 to the power 6 is 729 minus 1. 28. And finally the answer is carry 2. 2548. This one, and n is equal to, this is sum of 6 terms, and n is equal to 6.